Patio doors are more than a stylish addition to your home. They're a practical upgrade that can transform the way you live. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, installing patio doors offers a wide range of benefits that enhance comfort, energy efficiency, property value, and everyday enjoyment. Whether you are renovating an older home or building something new, patio doors are an investment that delivers both immediate and long-term rewards. Increased natural light. One of the most noticeable benefits of installing patio doors in Taylor, MI properties is the abundance of natural light they bring indoors. Michigan winters can feel long and gray, so maximizing sunlight in your home makes a big difference. Large glass panels allow daylight to flow freely into living rooms, kitchens, or dining areas, creating a brighter and more welcoming atmosphere. Natural light doesn't just improve mood, it can also make rooms appear larger and more open. Homes with well-lit interiors tend to feel cleaner, fresher, and more inviting for both residents and guests. Improved energy efficiency. Modern patio doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and weather-resistant seals. In Taylor, MI, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between seasons, energy-efficient patio doors help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. During the winter, they help keep warm air inside and cold air out. In the summer, they prevent heat from entering your home. This improved insulation can reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, potentially lowering monthly energy bills and increasing overall comfort year-round. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. Patio doors create a smooth transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Whether you have a backyard patio, deck, or garden, installing patio doors in your Taylor, MI home allows you to connect these areas effortlessly. Sliding or French patio doors make it easy to entertain guests, host family gatherings, or simply enjoy your morning coffee with a view. When opened, they expand your usable living space, making your home feel more versatile and functional. Even when closed, the wide glass panels provide a clear view of your outdoor space, helping you feel connected to nature throughout the year. Enhanced home value. Upgrading to patio doors can significantly boost your property's market appeal. Homebuyers in Taylor, MI often look for features that combine beauty and practicality. Stylish patio doors with modern finishes can elevate the look of your home both inside and out. Curb appeal matters, and patio doors contribute to a more polished and updated exterior appearance. Inside, they add a contemporary touch that can set your property apart from others on the market. If you ever decide to sell, this upgrade may help attract more interest and potentially increase your home's resale value. Better ventilation. Fresh air circulation is essential for maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Patio doors provide excellent ventilation, especially during the mild spring and summer months in Taylor, MI. Sliding doors can be partially opened for controlled airflow, while French doors can be fully opened to let in a refreshing breeze. Improved ventilation helps reduce indoor pollutants, control moisture levels, and create a more comfortable atmosphere. It's a simple way to enjoy the pleasant Michigan weather without leaving your home. Increased security and durability. Today's patio doors are built with advanced security features. Reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and durable frame materials offer peace of mind for homeowners. Modern designs focus not only on aesthetics but also on safety. In addition, high-quality patio doors are engineered to withstand Michigan's seasonal weather changes. From heavy snow to strong winds and summer storms, properly installed doors provide reliable protection and long-lasting performance. Low maintenance and modern design options. Homeowners in Taylor, MI appreciate upgrades that are easy to maintain. Many patio doors are made with materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that resist warping, rusting, and fading. This means less upkeep and more time enjoying your home. You can also choose from a variety of styles, finishes, and hardware options to match your home's design. Whether you prefer a sleek sliding door or elegant French doors, there's a solution that fits your aesthetic and practical needs. A smart investment for Taylor, MI Homes. Installing patio doors in your Taylor, MI property is more than a cosmetic change. It's an upgrade that improves natural light, energy efficiency, comfort, security, and property value. With so many benefits, patio doors offer a smart and customer-focused solution for homeowners who want to enhance both the beauty and functionality of their living space. If you're looking to refresh your home and make it more enjoyable year-round, patio doors are a worthwhile investment that delivers lasting results.